Yo, what's up, Calvary? How you guys doing today? So, we're going to talk about how to fix that goofy trail that you left behind. So, most of us, when we were younger, middle school, we were goofy. You know what I'm saying? We made ourselves the butt of the joke just to make other people laugh. That's what we were. We were entertainers, we were jesters, and we got joy out of it. But the downside of that is people will only start to see you as a jester and not yourself. People will start seeing you as a joke. People want to be around you because you make them laugh. But once you stop doing that, they're not going to be around you anymore. I had this one girl. I was in ninth grade and I was moving up to freshman, and we were touring the halls together. And she's like, everybody's gotten tall, everybody's gotten bigger, everybody's gotten handsomer, everybody's gotten this. But you, Ramon, you stayed the same. Why would she say that to me? That's so fucked up, and that's mean. That's disgusting. Why would she say that to me? Like, I think she was like disappointed a nigga didn't grow. Like, I think she was really disappointed a brother didn't grow. I think she was very disappointed. I think she was like waiting on that. I'm like, whoa, back up now. Hold on. But yeah, it was a bad comment, and I took that personally. So what I did was I distanced myself from everybody. That's number one. You have to distance. So the reason you have to distance is, well, like, why do you have to distance? Because distance will allow you to create space so you can create a new person. But why? Because you can't be in people's faces and try to change who you are at the same time. It's not going to work that way. You're going to fall right back into old habits. Why? Because people are going to treat you how you used to act. And if you accept that treatment, you're going to go right back to how you acted in the first place. Why? Because humans follow patterns, and that's all we do until we die. Number two, when you come back, you must reintroduce yourself. You must show them and tell them what you will tolerate and what you will not tolerate. Once you get a clear understanding of your boundaries and you actually stay true to that person that you're trying to become, they will have no choice but to respect what you are building. They have no choice. And if they ever step out of line, well, that's what more do I have to say? You beat their ass. Once you reintroduce yourself, introductions always matter. So they're meeting a new you. They're not meeting you from 3 years ago. They're meeting you now. I always like to say this. When we grow up, we always like to refer to how we acted as younger versions of ourselves. We mostly put it on age instead of personality. But always say, "Oh yeah, when I was younger, I was so stupid." But my personality was so stupid. I don't even necessarily think it has to matter with age, because some people are young and don't act like that at all. So I wouldn't necessarily put it on age, but it is heavily influenced. So you know what? Why not? I'm not gonna try to pinpoint or pick shit out. But what's beautiful is we can always change our personality, but can we keep it that way? So once you reintroduce yourself and you keep it that way, you start to resonate with yourself. You start to just get things going. You're greasing the groove. You going through everything. You going through the motions. Now you got your respect. And remember, people treat you how you treat yourself. If you treat yourself like I'm telling you, people treat you how you tolerate with being treated. That's it. Don't be afraid to show somebody like, hey, you getting a little bit too you getting a little bit too loud. Let's calm that shit down. You feel what I'm saying? You getting a little bit too loud. Let's calm it down real quick. Don't be afraid to do that to anybody. To anybody. And this third step is just live. You reintroduce yourself. You respect it now. You took time to yourself. You isolated. You rebuilt yourself. You came back. You got boundaries now. You're a better version. I mean, what more did you want? What more did you want out of this video? I already told you what to do, so go do it. And when I'm saying isolate, I'm not talking about maybe for a week or 2 weeks. No, I'm talking about 3, 4, 5, 6 months. At least that's what I did. And that's what stopped me from. And if you're still in school and you want to reintroduce yourself, this is another tip too. If you're still in school and you want to reintroduce yourself, take a step back. You can't isolate yourself in school. Like I said earlier, you can't be in the motherfucker's face. But you got to take a step back though. You got to limit. Give them time to forget who you were. Give them time to forget who you were and how you used to act. Who you that was crazy stutter. How you used to act, and they'll start getting gaps in their memory about you. And then when that boom, you come in, you fill those gaps, and because you fill those gaps with something so different than what they already had, what they already had just scatters away and gets refilled by what you got. It's so simple. All right. Well, thank you guys. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Remember, be no bitch, be strong, and always be careful. All right. Bye bye, guys.